What is up, guys? It's time to do some more magnet fishing. Isn't that right, buddy? Yeah.
What is that? I don't know. Some kind of a nail and some other weirdo nail. Look at that.
Nice. Nice size nails. I think I got a big rock.
Huh?
I think I just got a big rock.
Did you really? That is one magnetic rock.
Wonder what's inside that.
Wow. That is not new.
Okay, well, we'll investigate.
What'd you get? Weird. What is that to?
I don't know. Some sort of busted metal.
See where the rest of it's at.
Oh, that's like a railway
Sure
spike.
it is. Look at that.
I wonder if there used to be a.
A railroad here.
Yeah.
Across here. Huh.
Does it pull it off and look at the top of it? Is there any writing on it?
Can't tell. Look at all the rings too.
If you count the rings,
Yeah.
I'll tell you how old it is. Oh, something.
See, there's stuff out there.
It's like part of a lawnmower.
Ah, might be.
Oh, I know that.
What?
Some wiring.
Wire.
Some weird like latch deal.
Something.
Neat. Try and find that spot again.
Well,
These are old nails though,
yeah. Wonder if there was.
because
a
I've got
bridge.
those weird long heads to them.
See how this is lower? It's a big piece. You are absolutely right.
All right,
I heard
I'm
it
on.
squeak. Holy shnikes. Holy.
It's another one.
Yep.
It's another one. Holy crap.
I told you these are heavy.
Oh man.
I did this one by myself that one time. I think it's bigger.
Holy crap. Okay.
It's a bigger one. That's awesome, guys. Woo! Good job, Jacob. Oh, God, I can't get mine off. Let's set her down, hey?
There's one off. Yeah.
Get Jeremy's.
Jeremy's off.
Let's set her down.
Amazing find.
Dang.
That's awesome.
Ugh. So what did you say these were? They were like the bottom like scraper pieces on plows?
Yeah, for plows, he said.
So if you guys
For
see,
dozers and stuff.
Frank last time he was here caught the one on the left right up here. He wasn't able to bring it back. And I'd say this one's probably,
Just a little bit bigger.
it might be the same size.
Oh, it might be the same size. It is.
Yeah.
Ha!
So for some reason there was 2 plow ends in there. That's crazy. Those are heavy. It's like a weird, yeah.
It's barbed at the end. It's weird.
Maybe that was just a, could that be like a really old fishing hook?
Oh.
Maybe that got kind of bent out of place?
Possibly. Huh.
Because I don't know. I've never seen nails with barbs on them like that.
Neither have I.
Was that a house or was that like a shop?
It was a actual restaurant.
Oh, so I was gonna say if it was like a, saddle shop or something, I could see all this type of.
Hey, I got a train tie.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right.
Nice.
Oh, if I don't connect to the bridge there.
Right on.
There we go. Or not a tie, a spike, railroad spike. Neat. I wonder if these ones actually have dates on them. I'll have to clean them off later. Sweet. Oh, and old pliers, tons of old stuff, old nails, old bolts. Jeez, that's nice.
Yeah.
There we go. Nice 3-foot piece of rebar. I think it's another chunk of rebar.
Oh, I assume it fell off though.
Nope, we're on it. That's some weird, I don't even know what that is.
Jack?
I think this is an old jack.
It's an old jack.
An old car jack.
Yeah.
An old car jack.
It's an old car
Yes.
jack.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good.
Yes.
40.
Unique item. That's awesome. Someone blew a tire over here and just ruined. My bad.
Oh my god.
We don't need his help. We need your help.
I got a rock.
Ah, hey. Interesting. Great.
Good.
Wait a minute. I said.
There's something else there to catch. There you go.
You on?
Sure. Okay, easy because we're going under. There we go. Nice.
Cooper!
What, that big old, what is that, a washer?
It's a washer.
Nice. There you go.
Alright. Damn, this is my first rebounder like that.
What do we got here? Oh wow, what is this? What is this? It's an interesting piece. See, it broke off of there, whatever it is. This looks like a chunk of rebar. It looks like it's barely hanging on there. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Got it. Actually, that's not rebar. I don't know what that is. Probably some steak. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this magnet fishing adventure. This is just part one of our full day. We hit the dam up again afterwards, so that's going to be part two here coming up. Look for that coming out in about the next week or so. So no recap today. We're going to do a recap of everything all together from that day, but there's enough footage to do a whole video just from this river that we were at. So don't forget guys, like, subscribe, hit that notification bar so you can keep on going on all these magnet fishing adventures with me, and let's go on some more. Have a great day. Goodbye.